I once learned on a course new YouTubers should make videos similar to their competitors. I tried it with 20 videos, but the results were unimpressive. I tinkered around with it for a few years and finally cracked the code. I'm now getting great results using it with new channels. Today I'm going to spill the beans and show you how to do it. Alright, let's kick things off with a dive into how the YouTube algorithm works. Buckle up because this is going to blow your mind and completely revolutionize the way you approach your YouTube videos. Imagine this. You clear your browser history and head over to YouTube. The algorithm has no clue who you are and what you're interested in. Then you start searching for the best cameras for beginners and watch a bunch of suggested videos on that topic. Next, you switch gears and search for tips on planting and raising cold weather vegetables, and again, you dive into those videos. Now, here's where the magic happens. The YouTube algorithm takes note of two crucial things about you. You're into photography, specifically learning about cameras, and you want to know more about growing cold weather veggies. So, what does the algorithm do next time you visit YouTube? It suggests videos related to those two topics. Pretty cool, right? Over time, as you interact with the platform, the algorithm gets even better at understanding your interest, resulting in more accurate video recommendations. The value of well-established competitors in your niche. Now you might be wondering, Chris, how does this help me? Well, my friend, let's talk about the value of well-established competitors in your niche. If your YouTube channel covers a wide range of topics like traveling in Southeast Asia, from places to stay and cheap flights to local cuisine, travel tips and outdoor activities, you might be confusing the algorithm. There are so many topics the algorithm is uncertain who to show your video to. Here's the deal. The algorithm doesn't just consider viewers, it also looks at channels. So if your channel has a ton of videos about places to eat in Southeast Asia, and there's a competitor's channel with a similar focus, the algorithm might suggest your videos to their audience members too. Why? Because the video topics align and it helps the algorithm understand who might enjoy your content. That's why it's crucial to niche down and focus on a specific area. By doing so, you make it easier for the algorithm to identify which audiences from other channels might love your videos. This is the value that a well-established competitor in your niche can offer you. Their audience becomes your potential audience too. Pretty powerful, right? But hold on, there's a twist. It's going to be tough for you if you're just starting out. Sure, you might have a video with 200 views, which is fantastic, but the algorithm is more likely to suggest a video on the same topic with 20,000 views, especially if it's a viewer favorite. That video holds a lot of weight, but there is a good chance that your video may rank just under that competitor's video. This means that when the viewer finishes watching the competitor's video, he might click onto yours if the thumbnail and title entice him. Now, we've already established the importance of niching down and finding a competitor's channel to shadow in your niche. But you might be wondering, can I just shadow any channel out there? Hold on to your horses, because it's not that simple. It's time to dive deeper into the strategy. The first step is to identify all the channels in your niche. Once you've got that list, it's time to analyze them and come up with a whole list of sub-niches. We're talking about narrowing it down and getting even more specific. Now, take those sub-niches and populate a chart like this. Place those sub-niches at the top. But hold on, the next step is to take a look at the number of subscribers each channel has. Now, using the sub-niches and the subscriber counts, complete the chart like this. But wait a second, before you dive headfirst into the strategy, there's a little something you need to know. It's a super important precondition that every channel on the chart needs to meet. Each channel must have at least 3 videos relevant to the sub-niche. We want to make sure the algorithm identifies the channel as one that focuses on the relevant sub-niche. So let's take a deep breath and see what we have. When completed, you'll see that this chart outlines a great map for developing your YouTube channel. In this next video, I reveal 3 other crucial considerations that will help you confidently choose the best videos in each group to shadow. You'll also learn how to use this chart to create a roadmap for each stage of your channel's development.